guys, Judy Fine here. Today I want to talk to you about your tongue. How often does somebody tell you that? Stick around. Okay, so let's talk about your tongue. So I spend a lot of time talking to students and to you guys on YouTube about using your body for support and having nice open vowels. And I think vowels in your body are the two topics I discuss the most. But your tongue is really important. What you do with your tongue is extremely important. So this is why a lot of my exercises are still jaw exercises, because when you keep your jaw still, you're forced to use your tongue to create your sounds, and you grow tongue independence and you strengthen your tongue muscles and the muscles of your throat so that they can work better for you, so that they get stronger. So all that still applies, but I just want to have you thinking more about what you're doing with your tongue while you're singing. The most common thing is, as singers get higher in their range, maybe they start to have some apprehension about whether they're going to hit their notes or whatever's going on inside their heads, but students tend to tighten their tongues as they try to reach higher and higher pitches. And guess what? That's counterproductive. So I want you to start to develop the habit of just asking yourself, checking in, is my tongue relaxed? Your tongue, even when you're using it, should just feel heavy and relaxed against the bottom of your mouth. Maybe you use it to pronounce something, but then you relax it again against the bottom of your mouth. When you're holding when you're holding one vowel sound over many notes, tongue should be relaxed against the bottom of your throat. As you're reaching higher, there's going to be this temptation and you're not going to realize you're doing it, because we all do it. All singers do this. You're not going to realize it, but you're going to start to tense your tongue as you get higher in your pitches. So you have to develop the habit of asking yourself if you're doing that. So I am going to show you a really great warm-up that involves having your tongue out as you sing. I'm just going to show you a few times so that you can see what it looks like. And then I'm going to end this video with an audio version of it, because there's only so long I want you to watch me singing with my tongue out. I have some pride. Anyway, so I'm going to leave you with that exercise, but first I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. You're going to see that how my jaw stays still and how much my tongue is extended. And so you're going to do this warm up, and you're going to have to do it many times before you start to develop tongue independence. It's going to feel really awkward at first. If it doesn't feel awkward, you might not be doing it right. So check yourself in the mirror. And I want to leave you with that exercise, but I also want to leave you with the idea that you need to start checking in about whether or not you're tensing your tongue, and relax it. It's getting very sleepy. It wants to go to sleep on the bottom of your mouth. Okay, relaxed tongue. So the warm-up is called the ya-ya warm-up. You may have come across it in other workout combinations I've put together, but I've never made a video where you watch me doing it, for obvious reasons. So your tongue is going to be extended, not as far as you can possibly extend it, just so that the tip is hanging over your bottom lip a little bit. Like that. Jaw relaxed, cheeks relaxed, upper lip is relaxed, your jaw's going to stay still. Let me go down here. It's loud. This is the melody. Again, if you've been doing other exercises of mine, you'll recognize this. Ya, 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 ya. See how silly it looks? Jaw's not moving. Tongue is kind of pulsing forward and back. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. You should check yourself in a mirror, because when your tongue's moving like that, it might be hard to tell whether it's just your tongue moving or your jaw is moving. So look at yourself in the mirror. Ha, ha, ha. Ya, 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 ya. One more. Ya, 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 ya. It's weird. All right. So these two things, this is a great warm-up. You should do it over and over again to help yourself develop that tongue independence and make it easier for you to keep your tongue relaxed as you sing. That's one thing. And the other thing is you have to develop the habit of checking in as you're singing to determine whether or not your tongue is relaxed, or to remind yourself to relax your tongue. All right, good luck.
Here we go, the ya-ya warm-up. So big ribs, relaxed cheeks, relaxed upper lip, tongue extended, and ya-ya. Ya-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya. Ya-ya-ya-ya. lip is relaxed. Check in with your ribs. And check that your upper lip is relaxed. A few more. Last one. Good.